Obtaining a state-of-the-art, sustainable lighting installation without investment with Trilux pay-per-use. Refurbishing an old lighting installation is an economical and ecological solution, but it takes time and money, binding valuable resources. The alternative? With Trilux pay-per-use, you receive a state-of-the-art, economically and ecologically sustainable lighting solution, which is balance sheet neutral and requires no investment. Trilux carries out all tasks regarding lighting for you, from design to installation and operation to cloud-based monitoring services and maintenance, including an extended warranty. You only pay a monthly, consumption-based service rate. The best thing about it? You'll be able to finance your pay-per-use rate through your operating cost savings, and you will be saving cash from day one. Improve your quality of light as well as your economic and ecological balance. With Trilux pay-per-use, everything is included.